Beneath the towering ceilings of a factory, a quiet symphony begins. The hum of engines rises, steady and calm, like the first notes of a song. Belts roll with smooth precision, carrying raw materials on their endless journey, while steel arms extend and retreat with flawless rhythm, almost like dancers repeating a timeless choreography. Sparks flash briefly, like fleeting constellations in the air, before fading into the vast silence of purpose. Each motion is exact, yet strangely graceful, as though the machines are not only working, but performing. There is no hesitation here, only certainty. A press descends, cutting and shaping with strength and delicacy, while robotic hands guide each piece with care. Together, they weave a fabric of progress, where chaos is tamed and order is born. It is not noise, it is harmony. It is not labor, it is art. In the language of pistons, gears, and fire, the factory whispers a truth. Beauty lives not only in nature, but also in creation.